It started with a question: what is the smallest part of everything? Long ago, the Greeks used the word atomos, which means something that can't be divided. But later, scientists learned that atoms can be split, and when they split, they release huge amounts of energy. In the late 1800s, scientists like Marie Curie and Ernest Rutherford discovered radiation. They found that atoms had powerful energy inside. Then in the 1930s, they learned how to split atoms. This is called nuclear fission. It created a lot of energy, more than anything humans had ever seen. During World War II, the United States started a secret project. It was called the Manhattan Project. Their goal was to build a bomb using nuclear power. In 1945, they tested the first nuclear bomb in the desert. The explosion was huge, bright light, a mushroom cloud. A new age had begun. A few weeks later, nuclear bombs were dropped on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Over 200,000 people died. The world saw how dangerous this power could be. After the war, the United States and the Soviet Union started building more nuclear weapons. Bigger, stronger, faster. They made hydrogen bombs. These are much more powerful than the bombs dropped in World War II. Both sides knew that if one attacked, the other would strike back. This idea was called mutually assured destruction. One mistake could destroy the world. But nuclear power wasn't just used for weapons. Scientists saw another way to use it, to make electricity. Nuclear power plants were built. They could make a lot of electricity without burning coal or gas. But nuclear energy also has dangers. Accidents happened, big ones. Nuclear plants melted down, and radioactive material leaked into the air, water, and soil. These places are still dangerous today. Today, 9 countries have nuclear weapons. Thousands of bombs are ready to use. Now, the threat is not just war. There are also cyber attacks, accidents, and terrorism. One mistake could mean disaster. But we still search for better ways. Scientists are working on fusion energy. It could give us clean, safe, unlimited power, like the sun. Nuclear weapons are terrible for the planet. If a nuclear war happens, millions will die. The Earth will suffer for many years. A big war could cause nuclear winter. That means thick smoke would block the sun. Plants would die. Food would run out. The whole world could starve. Even nuclear energy leaves behind dangerous waste. It stays harmful for thousands of years. We don't know how to store it safely forever. But there is hope. Many people are working for peace, for clean energy, for a safer world. We can choose not to use nuclear weapons. We can build a future without fear, but we must act wisely. The atom has great power. It can light our homes or burn the world. It is up to us to decide.